take the pot off and not jump in the air. So then I otherwise, he says, forget it. So we'll test it and see what happens. What else? I know, it's not wrong. Yesterday was testing. I've got a letter draft. This is ridiculous. I mean, this is ridiculous. Right, the one thing, unspeakable thing. Yes. So I'm happy for that. Yes. He can do it. He can do it. I did. He gets. Well, now they have to mix it. So